For centuries, the dwarves have lived under the misty mountain. But when the dark force poses a threat to the great flame, the mountain's life force, the dwarves must find the firestone to save it. King Thornell acts quickly, forming the Fellowship of the Stone. They will travel into the depths of Mount Dim to collect said stone from a dark entity. The Fellowship traveled through various obstacles, but once they arrived to the Lake of the Undead, the dwarves feared the dead souls of men would kill them, and so they all left the king. But only one remained, his name, Nicky, meaning shadow in Old Dwarvish. The dwarves struggled to reach the top of Mount Dim, but once they did, they encountered a terrible beast, a dragon. They all fought ferociously, but the dragon was able to kill Nicky. The king then in his honor killed the dragon and took the Firestone. The king carried Nicky's body and the Firestone all the way to the Misty Mountain, bringing balance back to the mountain. But the king took part of the stone to grant a wish, the wish being that everyone would have a shadow in honor of Nicky's loyalty. And at night, it would be gone to consolate the king from all the horrors he lived through.